Uyu niguo ugwati uria ukuriire maitho arutwo a thukuru wa Nanyuki High. Mabati maria mahuthikite kugita nyumba itiganite guku gukirikana no muhaka meherio tondu mari na ugwati wa gucungiriria murimu wa cancer. Gukirikana mari na cuma ndito iria ni ugwati wona mabati maya marikia kubutha. Undu uyu niguo cungiriirie murutani munene Oliver Minishi kuhoya uteithio kuri thirikari niguo mahote kugura mabati mangi maria marabatara muigana wa shiringi milioni 13.5.
The parents and the savings from the school have enabled us to remove some asbestos from some of the classes, but these efforts have not really done quite a lot.
Kuringana na murutani munene mukana uria waheanitwo ni ruhonge rwa maria maturigiciirie rwa nema ukirie kuinikiriria na uguo matire na wiki otiga gucenjia mabati maya.
Asbestos are very dangerous in the sense that they have chemicals which in future can be a source of cancer.
Ihinda-ini riu Minishi niugite matingigetha mai kuma mabati-ini maya magitigira ati arutwo mahota kunyua mai maya maria mari na cuma ndito na iria ingicungiriria murimu uyu. Mwena-ini wake murutani wa mathomo ma ngirigaca Zipora Mobe niugite ni maretigira kuhuthira mai maya hari indo iria makuragia magitigira ati ciana ciahota kugumirwo ni mathina matiganite.
It is only that time that we replace the asbestos that water can be safe for use in the farm.
Akiaria ihinda-ini riu Arugamiriri munene wa nema kaunti ya Laikipia Fanuel Mosago ni arutete mukana wa kuhuthira mai maria magethagwo kuma mabati-ini maya akiuga onamo ni ugwati munene.
The 5% wears out and you're drinking water using that from that roof, then you're exposing yourself to the dangers of getting this lung cancer.
Mosago ni ugite ni maheanite mutaratara wa kuheria mabati maya niguo matige gukorwo mari ugwati. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.